Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete a profile on TV2Play account. So let's get straight into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, open a web browser and type in play.tv2.no and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official website for TV2Play account, from where you'll need to log into your existing account. After you are signed into your account, you will need to select your profile to continue. If you want to go ahead and delete an existing profile, you can click on this Edit Profile button at the bottom. Now, choose the profile you'd like to get rid of and click on the little pencil icon inside your profile. Once you click on it, from here you can edit your profile. To delete a specific profile from your account, click on this Delete Profile button at the bottom. In the pop-up, confirm deletion by clicking Delete one more time, and you will be able to delete a particular profile on TV2Play account. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.